Having trouble connecting your AirPods to Windows 11? We've got your solution. Stay tuned as we unravel the quick and easy steps to fix the Windows 11 AirPods not connecting issue. Let's roll. Start by searching for Registry Editor in your Windows search bar. Right-click on Registry Editor and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, let's navigate through the Registry Editor. Expand hkey_local_machine, then system followed by Control Set 001. Expand Control Expand Class and expand Whitesheet 0 CBF06 CCD 8 B4647 BB 8 A263 B43 F0 F974s. Right-click, then click New, and select String Value. Type the name as PNP Capabilities. Double-click on PNP Capabilities. Type 24 in the Value Data field and click OK. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for Control Panel in your Windows search bar. Open Control Panel and click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Select AirPods and set them as the default device. Click OK to apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.